All right, this is our Deco convertible sofa. Here's your first part. So we're gonna put it together and make it one unit. So I'm gonna tip this up. That exposes the cambric here, and this is up here. So all you do is you grab your partner and you grab the other piece. And there's no wheels, as you see, there's just these tracks. So I always like to do it like this so both your partners can see where the track's gonna be. And this is going by the inside of this bar. And once you kind of got it lined up, you just tip it down. And now you've completed the sofa, and then there's a locking mechanism underneath this track. And all I did there is I gave it a little push, and there's a rubber bumper that goes past that bar. Now it's in the lock position. You put your cushions in there, and you have your sofa. To make it a sleeper, bring that out till it stops, set it down, roll that down, and give it a nice push. Now you got a sleeper.